Hi guys, I'm back and we're gonna do a little resin on top of this blended background. So we're gonna cut off the bit because I'm going to be doing a oh, that's a little bit small. We're gonna make these little round things. Yeah, let's see how that works. Well, that works. So we're going to put a lot of these on this canvas. What we're looking for. I do want to do a couple of that are going to go over the side though. I think that's enough for it to go over the side. Okay. So that's layer number one. Now I have a pyramid shape, and that's where I put all the resin in that I have left over, because we don't want to waste it. So it's a good thing to have some sort of a mold that you want to put the rest of the resin in, because throwing away resin, I don't know, it's just a waste. Okay guys, we're ready for the second layer, and I'm gonna do it the same as the last one. I'm gonna make a really small hole, but I'm gonna show you like this on the sideways because I think it's better. So here it comes. I'm gonna do it really slowly, and I think this hole is a little bit too small, but we'll see. And that one has to go over the side just a little bit. Yeah, the hole is just a little bit on the tiny side, but it's better to do the tiny side than make it too big, because then it won't really work. There it goes. That's better, I think. That's gonna drop nicely. This one might need a little bit more just to go over the side. Not too much though. This one needs a little bit more because it has to go over the side too. So we'll see what that does. And then we're going to do the bigger ones. That's it. And we want ones next to it, so we're going to make those a little bit bigger. And we want a big one on here, because this one's going to get another color on top of it. And can you see how thick it is? That's really nice and thick. This one's a little bit too thick, but it'll have to do. There, that one's going to go over the side. And I'd like one going over the side here too. So we're going to give that one a little zip. There it goes. And you can see them all. I'm not going to do there because I want some green in it. I do want a contrasting color because I think that's nice. This is sort of the same colors as the background is, and then I'm going to come in with a really nice contrast color. I do think I need, no, this one. Nah. Just do a new one here. That's gonna be okay. Okay guys, before I let this dry, I'm gonna add a few of these really nice light green ones, because they're going to be on the canvas, and I'm doing it with a stick so that you can see that you can also do this with a popsicle stick. You just have to let it drip down slowly, press it down a little bit, pull it up, keep pulling it up until you see how that stringy thing comes off, and now it's gone. So that's how you can put the small ones on. I'm going to put a really small one on this one too. Ooh, that's not enough, I think. Need a little bit more because it has to go over the side. But I'm not putting it on the turquoise colored ones because they are still fresh, and if you put it on, it'll sink right through. So I really, it says on the package that it's 20 minutes and you can add, but I did that and it fell straight through. So right now I'm playing it safe, and I'm just letting it dry for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours until I feel that it's stiff enough to hold the next layer. But this is much different than, you know, the normal resin thing that we do. This is just, you know, you have to be really slow with this and let it, you know, just come off the stick and that kind of stuff. So it's kind of zen-like. I kind of like that. Let's put a little bit bigger one here. Now you can color this with anything you like. I use fluid acrylics, the Vallejo ones, and I've used the ink from Eli Shem. I'll give you the links under the video, but you can really use a lot of different things. You can use the mica, the mica, whatever you call it. You can use that too. So that works out pretty good. I think all of us have a lot of this stuff, so a lot of acrylics. Okay guys, we're back for the next layer of color. Let's see, we'll do it right down here. Okay guys, we're back for the next layer. I have dark blue again because I think the dark is really pops, and it makes it look really pretty. Oh, I think that is too much, but we'll see. So I thought I'd just add a little bit more really dark blue, because I really think it's pretty on the, it makes a contrast with the background. Oops, that's not good. I have to take that off. You know, it just has to have a little, you have to be careful, you have to do it slowly, otherwise you get it all over the place. You don't want that, see, like that. I hate it that it does that little splotch that it leaves on the side. Don't want to have that. I think that's okay. But it's really hard to get this, oops, there you go. It's really hard to get a good video of this because it really needs, you have to really do this really slowly. That's the thing. And you have to make sure that it's smack in the middle. So let's do this again. You just have to take your time and let it drip off the stick. And I'm trying to rush it, and that's not good. So there you go. That's a nice one. Gonna put another one on here. So this is the final painting. Here you can see that it's going over the side really nicely. That works. Looks really nice. It doesn't drip down, you know, that it's in the way or anything, so that's really beautiful. Here you have the silver ones I put on. This one I put on while the blue one was still wet, and you can see that it's flat. So you do have to wait for the layers to stiffen up, cure, before you put on the next one. And as you can see, there's a lot of height in all the dots. So this high build is really nice for doing this type of art, and also for doing those geode pours. They are really nice. You will get more of a feeling to the layers, and I think overall this is a fun project to do. You have to really take your time and put the dots exactly in the middle. Sometimes, you know, you go over, but you can just wipe it off if it goes you know, wrong. If you think it's not really nice, you can just wipe it off. Like this one just went over the side a little bit. I kind of like that. So it was a fun project. So check it out. I'll put the links to everything I used under this video, under the more information, especially the this stuff. This is from the same company, and the ink is from the same company, so I'll put that all on under the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks all for watching. Love you all to pieces. Bye bye.